Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So in this video I wanted to share with you my experience of using this EHEIM Thermocontrol 300 watt aquarium heater. There are plenty of videos on YouTube about the specific characteristics of this heater, how to install it, how to use it and so on. So I will not dwell on this details. I will specifically talk about the cons and pros of this heater from my own perspective. I have used it for about 2 years. I'm not currently using it, but I have plenty of experience with this particular model, so these are some of my insights. So talking about positive things, and probably the only positive thing that I have noticed about this particular model is that it's very powerful. If you have a large tank, probably over 100 gallons or 500 liters, this is an excellent model for you because it is really capable to heat up large volumes of water. Well, the other thing which could be both positive and negative, for me it was negative, is the size of this heater. So it's actually 50 centimeters long or 20 inches. And it's a pretty long heater. You can see that it's a very long heater. You have to consider that it has to be submerged when it's turned on, so it has to be in the water up to this level. If you don't have a particularly tall tank, that's a bit of a challenge, because you will have to either use it under this angle or that angle, or you have to put it on the bottom or somewhere in the lower parts of your tank horizontally. One of the problems you might have if you have short tank and you put this heater somewhere closer to the bottom is the cord length. The cord is about 1.5 meters, so it's relatively long, but still, if you have the heater on the bottom of your tank, you may struggle with the length of the cord in order to plug it in, so that could be one of the issues. Well, the biggest challenge for me was with using this model is that it's really long and bulky, so it kind of occupies the entire corner of your tank. You can see that, yeah, it has to be in the water, so you wouldn't really want to use it under angle like this. You will prefer to have it straight, which is what I was trying to do, and that was a bit of a struggle. So the other thing that I found relatively inconvenient in the case of this model is this calibration mechanism. So in order to set up the temperature, you first have to calibrate it by using this red arrow here. So when you fix the temperature by using this red arrow, you should not touch the blue ring. You should only move the red arrow. There is a place here where you can grab in order to get it moving. So for example, you want well, first you need to measure the temperature of your tank. So if you have for example 25 degrees centigrade in your tank, you need to set this red arrow on 25 degrees like so, without actually moving the blue ring. Then let's imagine that you want to have 27 degrees in your tank and you have only 25, so you would need to move this blue ring to 27. I found this mechanism is a bit uncomfortable, and I've struggled with it quite a while, and it has never been precise for me, so the temperature was never exactly what I've tried to calibrate it with, and I found this mechanism somewhat redundant. There are plenty of other heater models on the market which do not have this complicated calibration system, and they're quite straightforward and easy to use. Also, some of the other EHEIM models, including digital ones or flual models, they're much simpler in use than this particular model. So yeah, these are just some of my thoughts about this particular model, and I would be happy to hear your comments, so please leave your comments in the comment section, and there will be more similar videos to come, so do subscribe, and I'll see you in other videos. Bye bye.